Hi everyone, it's Maria from Let's Go Exploring. And today, by chance, we have caught this beautiful river cruise ship traveling up the Mississippi at Lock and Dam number 22 at Saverton, Missouri. Stay tuned as we get a glimpse of this modern river cruise ship as it travels through the lock and on up the river.
My friend, let's go exploring.
So when we first arrived at the lock and dam, this was our view as the Viking Mississippi approaches the lock and dam. She's coming right at us as we stand here next to the edge. I bet we're about as close to this ship as you can get while it's moving on the water without actually being on it. Here's another look as she enters the lock. We were fortunate to have two cameras with us today, so you can see Blake and Jack at the end of the boat ramp shooting footage from that angle. Okay, looks like they're actually entering the lock now from here. Get a nice view of the staterooms. Okay, well, we all know that there's a lot of security these days, especially at our lock and dams on the Mississippi River. And so that's about the best look we could get back there. So we've come upstream just a little bit. We should be able to see it make its way upriver. So we are just above the Saverton Lock and Dam a little bit. So we should be able to see it come up around this corner before it heads on up to Hannibal, Missouri. As we look downriver, we can see a little bit of that left edge of the lock and dam. While we're waiting for the ship to come upriver, I'm going to show you what the Mississippi River looks like from where I'm standing. I know before we had lots of comments just about surprised that there was water. And it seems that the river's in pretty good shape here. So we're at Saverton, Missouri, just south of Hannibal, Missouri, on the banks of the mighty Mississippi. We've been waiting a little while and we haven't seen the ship yet. So we've got a dinner reservation. So we're going to head back towards Hannibal. We've got to make a stop and then we will check a couple of spots along the river on our way and maybe we'll catch it again there. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't, hit that subscribe button. Thanks. Here we are along Highway 79, historic Highway 79, just south of Hannibal, Missouri. And sure enough, we look back and what do we see? The Viking Mississippi. Here she comes upriver.